morning. Saturday morning here in Belfast, just out at Killylane Reservoir taking some photos. It's only about 8:45 in the morning, it's not that early, but it's super foggy here. Visibility is like 100 meters pretty much. I just tried to fly the drone. It's also super windy, so hopefully you can hear this, but the old drone does not enjoy this wind, so I'm not sure how usable that footage is going to be because it was pretty shaky up there, and it's also pretty moist in the air, so the lens is getting full of water and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to try and probably walk around the reservoir this morning and just see what it looks like. I've never been here before, so far so good. So I'll end up not going around the reservoir, so I'm going to do it when I have better visibility so I can see what there is and stuff like that. And also on the other side there, it looked like it had just been like fouled forest, so it wasn't looking great. It looked like there'd been quite a lot of work there and stuff, so I decided not to walk around there and waste too much time if I couldn't see how far it looked like that basically. So I'm just here, just near where I parked. Actually, there's a really nice dark forest here, and it has quite nice little lanes which make an interesting photo, sort of looking down and like that. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'm glad I didn't walk around that side. Pretty much that whole side of the reservoir is the forest's been felled, obviously for wood or something like that, but yeah, it's quite a long walk with pretty much nothing to see other than where they just cut down a forest. So yeah, made the right choice. The fog is starting to lift now a little bit, so I'm going to take a little walk here, see what I can see, and maybe stick the drone up in the air again. It's still pretty windy, so I'm not sure how it'll fly, but give it a shot. Alrighty, back in the car. Just flew the drone again, just about to head home, get some coffee and see Rhea and Jax. It's been a fun morning, not quite what I was expecting, not great photographic opportunities. I think I got a couple of good shots. I literally only took like 2 compositions, one at the end of the lake in the corner there by the little jetty thing, and then one in the forest here. But I mean, from that point of view, the conditions are extreme enough that I think it'll give me something a little bit unusual rather than just like a sunrise or something like that. So yeah, pretty chuffed with that. Just flew the drone here over the forest, and obviously you guys will have seen some of the footage in that. It'll be interesting to see how usable the footage is, because it is super windy. Like that little Mavic Pro is struggling in the wind. It's literally, I reckon the wind is not far off it not actually being able to move if it was flying like full speed ahead. So in just normal, like, I don't know, GPS mode or whatever it is, you'd probably get it going a bit faster in sport mode. But yeah, there was at one point where I had the toggle like straight forward, just going straight into the wind, and the thing was going backwards, and I was thinking, uh-oh, there goes the drone, ain't gonna see that thing again. So yeah, anyway, good fun. I was contemplating filming with the drone, me driving on the road here, but I don't feel like losing that thing. But yeah, I've decided I'm going to be using that drone a lot more now, while we can, while law still permits it, because they're busy debating what they're going to do with the laws here in the UK with regards to drones. Because yeah, it's a cool piece of kit, captures great footage and tells the story a little bit better, and also it costs quite a lot of money, so seeing as I've bought it, might as well use it well. So I'm going to be taking that out most mornings when I go out. Yeah, and also do some aerial photography with it, because that interests me as well. So I'm gonna head home now, see Rhea and Jax, and hang out for a bit. I've got quite a bit of work to do today, catching up, trying to get that tenders document done. But yeah, cool. Alright, so been chilling out with Jackson Ree today after taking photos this morning, and then also been doing a bunch of work on that tender as well, so making good progress with that. Jax is in the back, just about to have a nap in the car, and we are driving to Town Square to go and have coffee with some friends. Back home from Town Square. Jack's busy playing over there. It's like a bomb's hit the place. Honestly, clean the place every day, and within half an hour looks like a bomb has hit the place. Food, bed for him, and back to work. What you doing? What you doing? Are you climbing around? Climbing around the sofa? Pie by Ree with sweet potato instead of normal potato. Oh yeah. Alright guys, just finished working for the evening. It's like 11:30. We're making good progress with this documentation for that tender on Monday. I'm going to go and hit the sack. Now I'm going to crack on more work tomorrow morning, really get the documentation done, and then youth tomorrow afternoon, hang out with the young people. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Cheers. How's it guys? It's Sunday lunchtime. I've just been working away all morning on the tender documentation that we need to submit by 8 AM tomorrow morning, and I am now just shooting out to have lunch with the youth and hang out with them for the afternoon, so that should be fun. Ree and Jax are already there, so I'm going to hit the road. That's another week done. I'm just about to go to bed. Had a great time with the young people, having lunch at Boojum. If you've never been to Belfast, Boojum is like the best Mexican food. They do tacos and fajitas and things like that. It's really good. So we had lunch there, then hung out with them for a bit, came home, and I cracked on with my work, getting that tender in and ready for tomorrow morning. We sent it off about half an hour ago. It's just after 11 PM. So we got it in time. It was due at 8 AM tomorrow morning, so glad we got that in. But yeah, it's been a pretty crazy week, pretty intense, loads of work, loads of overtime. Got a bunch of photography and video stuff done, and yeah, it was a great week. I leave for the States for my Utah trip a week tomorrow, so yeah, it's gonna be a good one. But otherwise, I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Cheers.